Welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm on my way back home right now. I just spent some time with my grandma while she went to surgery, and her surgery went really good. I'm very thankful. Her recovery's good. She a warrior, you know. She's not in pain. She got some carpal tunnel surgery on her left arm, no, her right arm, but you know, she's thugging it out, period. But I'm finna be on my way home, but when I get back, I'm gonna show y'all what I got for my car so far. I have a 2014 Camry Se. Car view review. Don't mind my mouth's gummies, y'all. I love me some gummies. But look how cute this is. Like, oh, it's so cute. Okay, then I got... Oh, I'm so excited about this part, y'all. Look, the license plate tray, whatever it's called, but a license plate frame. And I got, look for the logo. Yes, I'm so excited to put these on. And then we got the car mount. Now this is cute, y'all. Look. Look, it's cute. You can put it either in your vent or you can just stick it up right here. Like, that's cute. Honey.